a professional trading terminal. Here we can search for a multiple stocks. Starting off with Google sign in. The signing is happening. Here we have a front screen, a dashboard. Here we have multiple stocks floating. We have various categories like technology, finance, energy, healthcare, automotive, all stocks. All these stocks here are fetched through yfinance, a Yahoo API. Here all the stocks are being updated in real time at every 5 seconds. Once the 5 seconds occur, here we have the last updated time. Now when I click on a single stock, I have the charts being displayed. This is a day, 5 days, that is a week one. Then we have a month, the variation occurred in a month, 3 months, and a year. Now the searching we have done through BM25. So if I search for all increasing, so all the stocks, irrespective of the categories, whichever are increasing, will be shown here. Now if I search for all decreasing, or I would say tech low volume, so I will be get the low volume stocks from tech categories. So it is not that these are, the search here is being done on using BM25. The keywords are tokenized, and on the tokens created, it is passed, then we get the output. So these are all the low volume stocks. Now we have multiple categories like finance. Here also we can search, for example, American Expressway, or I would say so whatever here it is being calculated, searched in real time. So it is a continuous search. Then we have energy, healthcare, automotive, and all stocks. Here we also have a profile section. Here the all everything that has been searched up till now, track, then everything. Then we have profile information and security, changing passwords, and signing out. Thank you.